Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna attempt to shoot some B-rolls using an Android phone. I don't have an expensive camera, so I'll just be using an Android phone and try to create a video composition using small shots. The challenge is to create B-rolls from a limited amount of space. So right now we're just going to use this small space here that we have. We're at the North Pond right now, and as you can see, it snowed yesterday. We still have some snow. So let's do this. By the way, thanks for Thomas Alex Norman. He's got a YouTube channel, and I've learned these tips from him. So check out his channel if you want to learn things about video, like filmmaking, composition. Some cool stuff in there. Okay, I had to put my hat, it's cold. So the first few shots that we're going to take are just short clips of, we got some branches here covered in snow, maybe that part of the lake. The trick is, I don't have my gimbal right now, so I'm just using an Android. The trick is to move it as stable as you can, just avoid some quick shake or anything like that. If you have a gimbal, then that'll be perfect. So let's do that. Let's just try to take some few clips of the branches, whatever you have in this limited amount of space. Maybe some shots over there. The next shots, we can try and capture this part here, close to the water. And just be careful. Aside from left to right panning with your camera, another good tip also is to capture the trees and the leaves with slightly rotational movement. I'm going to show you that in the next shots. And another thing is, if you can capture the branches or the trunks and then just give it a little perspective by focusing on the foreground and then move it a little bit forward. Just try to keep your hands stable if you don't have a gimbal. Take some more shots. Okay guys, that's it. I think we're done here. So we probably had like 5 or 6 short clips that we can play around with. What I'm going to do is just try to make a composition out of these clips, maybe put some music in it, and see what type of B-roll we can come up with. So thanks again for watching. If you like this channel, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.